Chapter number 4, Heat. Question number 1. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Answer. Similarities. Both clinical and laboratory thermometer have long, narrow, uniform glass tubes. 2. The bulbs of both the thermometers have mercury in them. Differences. The temperature range of clinical thermometers is from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade, while that of laboratory thermometer is from minus 10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade. 2. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a human body. However, laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of a human body. 3. The least count of both the thermometers differs. 4. Unlike clinical thermometer that can be tilted, laboratory thermometer is kept upright while reading the temperature values. 2 number. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Answer. 2 examples of conductors of heat are aluminium, iron. 2 examples of insulators of heat are wood, plastic. 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. Answer. Temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Answer. Clinical thermometer. C. Temperature is measured in degree dash. Answer. Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. Radiation. E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of dash. Answer. Conduction. F. Cloths of dash colors absorbed heat better than cloths of light colors. Answer. Dark. Number 4. Match the following. Answer. 1. Land breeze blows during D. Night. 2. Sea breeze blows during C. Day. 3. Dark colored clothes are preferred during B. Winter. 4. Light colored clothes are preferred during A. Summer. 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer. During winters, we prefer wearing more layers of clothing than just one big piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between the various clothing layers. Being a poor conductor of heat, air prevents heat loss from our body. Hence, layers of clothing keep us warmer than a single layer. 6 number. Look at figure 4.13. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. Answer. 1. Transfer of heat from burner to pan is by radiation. 2. Transfer of heat from pan to water is by conduction. 3. Transfer of heat within water is by convection. Question number 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. Answer. In places of hot climate, it is advised to paint the outer wall of houses as white because a light color such as white reflects back most of the heat that falls on it. Hence, a light color tends to keep the house cool. 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees centigrade is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees centigrade. The temperature of the mixture will be A. 80 degrees centigrade, B. More than 50 degrees centigrade but less than 80 degrees centigrade, C. 20 degrees centigrade, D. Between 30 degrees centigrade and 50 degrees centigrade. Answer. D. Between 30 degrees centigrade and 50 degrees centigrade. 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees centigrade is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees centigrade. The heat will A. Flow from iron ball to water, B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball, C. Flow from water to iron ball, D. Increase the temperature of both. Answer B. Not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. 10 number. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, A, becomes cold by the process of conduction, B becomes cold by the process of convection, C becomes cold by the process of radiation, D does not become cold. Answer does not become cold. 11 number. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that A. Copper bottom makes the pan more durable, B. Such pans appear colorful, C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel, D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. Answer C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel.